Hey everybody, welcome to Car City Inc. Here's another super nice and clean new arrival at our store. Very rare. It's 2015 BMW 335i XDRIVE all-wheel drive with M and Sport package. Super nice and clean unit. Clean Carfax report, no accidents. Beautiful looking body, gray exterior over black leather interior. It runs and drives super nice. It's been detailed and inspected. Front row ready. V6, parking sensor front and rear bumpers. Beautiful looking body, very well kept and maintained. Went through our shop, passed safety inspection. Front row ready, fresh oil in it. It is all-wheel drive, xenon headlights, fog lamps. Super nice and clean, guys. Extra clean inside and out. Let's take a peek on the interior. It is fully loaded. As I said, this one is very rare. It's got M package, it's got Sport package, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cruise control, traction control, sport steering wheel, sport seats with the power and memory, non-smoking, no odors inside, Bluetooth, no warning lights on the dash. It's got 102,000 miles. Beautiful, nice and clean dashboard with a heads-up display, navigation, rear view camera. It's got push to start engine button, automatic climate control with the heated seats, automatic transmission. It's got extra keys, your manuals in a glove box. AC blows cold, heat works, and all the power options are working perfectly fine. It runs and drives super nice. I'm sorry, back seat. The back seat got heated seats as well. Detailed, inspected, front row ready. Super nice unit, guys. So if you have any questions, I would like to schedule time to test drive this beautiful 2015 BMW 335 iX Drive M Sport. Please give us a call. We are Car City Inc. out of Palatine. Phone number to call 847-496-4250. Check our website carcitychicago.com for more information, pictures, video, and a free Carfax report. Let's go ahead and we're gonna pop the hood so we can take a peek under the hood. Look at this beautiful alloy wheels. They're free of scuffs. Michelin tires in a great shape as well. As I said, detailed, inspected, front row ready, V6 with a twin turbo engine, automatic transmission, front row ready, fresh oil in it. Super nice and clean 2015 BMW 335i XDRIVE. You guys gonna find it at Car City Inc. located at 2232 North Rand Road in Palatine, Illinois. Give us a call with any questions, 847-496-4250. Check our website carcitychicago.com for more information, pictures, video, and a free Carfax report. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. You guys have a beautiful day.